This tutorial is about our exception promo pricing. Logged in as administrator, go to eSource Settings, Module Admin, Exception Pricing. First thing you're going to do is go to the Setup menu and make sure that you've activated exception pricing for each one of your sites. If you want to ask the customer for a coupon code in the one-page checkout, make sure you've activated that. And if you would like that to verify that coupon code and give the user a message if it's not a valid coupon code they entered, enter that message here and check this to activate that feature. And hit Save Changes. Do this for each one of your sites. Exception pricing has some different terminologies here. We've got what's called an exception stack. In the exception stack, this is where we define the customer group that the promotion is valid for. We also activate the group and we define what pricing mode this is valid for. If you're doing a markdown and you want the markdown to show up in the markdown column or field in the line item, then you're going to want this to per line transaction. If you want the markdown to be accumulated for the order and put into the sales transaction trade discount field, then you want this stack to be at a per sales transaction. As I define each of the markdowns or each of the promotions, I'll define these a little bit further and where it applies. When you apply the stack to either a customer, it can be for a select customer or for a group of customers. And so down here under Group Maintenance, this is where we define different customer groups. The exception card defines what type of promotion it is, whether it's a markdown, a buy get special, or free shipping. Those are the three promotions that the eSource product offers. It also defines the date range that this promotion is valid for, so you can set it up in advance and it'll start and it'll end. And it defines what items this promotion is for, whether it's for all items or just a select group of items. Your item group maintenance is over here, where you create an item group and then you assign items to the group. The last thing after you have your stack defined and you have a card defined is you assign the card to a stack. So you've built the relationship of the stack that had the customers and the pricing mode to the cards that had the promotion and the items that it was for. So under Stack Maintenance, you're going to see all your stacks, click Assign, and assign a card to a stack. So that's the overview. There's two more tutorials about creating markdowns, creating free shipping promotions, and creating a buy get special promotion.